If you want to learn how to add text in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to create text, customize it, and position it exactly where you want on your design. This is a great skill for thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, and simple image edits. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick GIMP tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image or blank canvas you want to work on. To add text, you need the text tool. You can activate it by pressing the T key on your keyboard or by clicking the text tool icon in the toolbox, which looks like a capital letter A. Once you select it, GIMP is ready for text input. Now click anywhere on the canvas. As soon as you click, GIMP will open a text entry box and you can start typing your text right away. The nice thing about GIMP is that it automatically creates a brand new text layer for you, so your text stays editable. That means you can come back later and change the words, font, size, or color without starting over. After you type your text, you can customize how it looks. You'll see a pop-up box right above your text, and you can also use the Tool Options panel on the left side of the screen. If you want to change the font, click the font name box and browse through the fonts installed on your computer. This lets you choose anything from a clean modern style to something bold and decorative. Next, adjust the size. You can use the pixel size slider to make your text larger or smaller depending on your design. If you're working on a thumbnail, you'll probably want bigger text so it stands out clearly. If you're adding a subtle label, a smaller size may look better. You can also change the color. Just click the color rectangle box to open the color picker, then choose the hue you want. This is really useful if your text needs to match your branding or contrast better with the background. For example, white text often works well on dark images, while darker text usually stands out better on light backgrounds. Another important setting is alignment. Click the justification icons to align your text to the left, center, or right side of the text box. This helps you control the layout and make your design look more polished. If you're making a title or heading, center alignment is often the best choice. If you're working with paragraphs or labels, left alignment might be more natural. Now let's talk about moving the text. To reposition it on the canvas, hold the Alt key while clicking and dragging the text. This lets you move it wherever you want without accidentally changing the shape of the box. That's especially helpful when you're trying to line text up with other elements in your design. If you need to resize the text area, look for the square corner handles around the text box. Click and drag those handles to expand or shrink the boundary of your typing area. This does not always change the font size itself, but it does change the space your text has to work in, which is really important for wrapping and layout control. So the basic process is simple. Select the text tool, click on the canvas, type your text, customize the font, size, color, and alignment, then move and resize the text box until it fits your design perfectly. Once you get comfortable with these steps, adding text in GIMP becomes fast and easy. If you want more GIMP tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to leave a like if this video helped you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.